Okay, last na. Basket na lang. How are you? I'm from Rice. Wait, thank you so much po, Sir Lolito, being member. Thank you very much. 3 viewers. Ay, di kita niya si Sir Lolito. Sige, Jack, nag-ikot-ikot kasi yung signal dito sa isa. Ba't nakatong ganun? Ilipat kayo dito. Kasi mag-ano ako. Gamitin ko yung isang basket. Okay. Gamitin ko yung isang basket kasi kailangan ko tapusin ito para mapiglabod dumating ang madami. Sabihin mo, what are you doing? I'm doing live. Hi, Mama Sa. Salamat po, Sir Lolito. Maraming salamat, sis. Ayan, welcome, sis. Mama. I call this sis. Oh my God. Oh, wait, I need to finish this because after my match, will come back. Oh my God. Nasa San Casimiro. Hi. Like Dan. Thank you. Grabe. I wish next month. Babalik na ako dito. Everyone same live now, sis. Yes, same live now because I'm here other house, you know. That's why. If I'm not here, my life is 11 like that or 10. Because you know, there's no connection. There's no Wi-Fi there inside my room. But don't worry, maybe next month. Pakita. 2, 3, 4. Sakto. Hi, Sir Pabs. Kamusta, Sir Pabs?